Santa Claus brought you a gift early.
What's that?
Santa Claus brought you a gift early.
Oh, here.
You want to see? You want to see what Santa Claus brought you?
Yeah. What's that?
It's a lint roller.
Huh?
It's a lint roller.
I was ready.
Merry Christmas.
I was ready for the two.
That's what Santa Claus brought you.
Okay. I want Woody too.
You want Woody too?
Yeah.
But Santa Claus brought you that.
Okay. I want Woody too.
You want Woody too?
Yeah. That's Woody.
It's dirty? You don't want it?
I want.
You want to keep it?
Yeah.
The Santa Claus brought you that for Christmas.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it.
I need to take that off.